is. Here I am with the flip through of my June design team project for Tracie Fox Creative. Can you believe that it's the end of June already? So what did we do this month? Well, we made some mini journal cards or gift cards, present labels, that sort of thing. I don't really like to use bought tags and little labels for presents. I like to put something handmade on there. So I thought that that's what we'd do this month, and these are the kits that I used of Tracie's. All the details for a website, her Etsy shop, a Facebook group, and all the other wonderful members of her design team project. I will leave all that down below, as well as all the kits I used. So if you've been with me a while, you know I like to show so many different ways how you can use the same printable kits to feel like you're getting your money's worth out of them, and they are very good value because you've just sometimes got to think outside the box a little bit and think of different ways of using them. So I used the writing set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 pages in that. The mini bird embellishments, the tiny tag mix, Faux tea card set 2, that's the yellow set, Teal Swing, mini watercolour butterflies, and then more recently the really random labels, which is a new set of labels that Tracie brought out in this month. And yeah, you can't beat Tracie's labels for finishing off any project. So I'll leave those all down below in case you haven't had a look at those yet. If you're struggling to find any of those, then the details for dropping Tracie a line are down below. So let's just go through what I've made. It seems funny not having a journal to turn the pages for. Okay, so here we are. They're all backed. So all the cards are backed with the writing sets. Just going to show you them one at a time. I'm really enjoyed making these, and it's lovely to, I always think it's lovely to receive a handmade gift, or if it's not, the gift isn't handmade, to receive a handmade tag on it. And you can, you know, everyone looks slightly different. If you remember, these are made from the Pictionary cards that I found in the charity. Look at that, love it. Woo! Don't know what that is. Bit of paper. Oops, they're all dropping on the floor. We did these double tags with some of them, so you've got double writing space on those, and then some string raffia. I think I did about 5 of those. So I didn't stick the second label down, so you can write on the back. This is from the Teal Swing. They do, Tracie does all the background work for you. She does all the mixed media, often does mixed media background papers and tags. I've had a lot of fun making these. I'm not suggesting you make as many as this, you know, but the idea's there for Christmas, say. So you could make a batch, and that's your Christmas labels, your Christmas tags done. Done and dusted. Of course, you can just put them in mini journals as well. I do like making the mini journals. just by adding, you know, it wouldn't be me if I didn't add a bit of something sewn. A bit of texture on there. I nearly said a bit of sewn blanket. I don't know where that came from. Gorgeous. I used to collect these tea cards when I was a little girl. Just from scraps of Hessian. And then finally that one. So let's see how many I made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So that's 21 tags or small journal cards that are made for this month's design team project. So thank you so much for joining me. Take a look at all the details down below for all the kits that are used, and yeah, onwards and upwards to July. Got to get my thinking cap on, see what I'm going to put together for my design team project for July. All right then, my lovelies, take care. Bye bye.